I'm Nate.
I'm Adam.
And we caught the world's smallest crayfish, baby.
And here he is. Look at that. Look how tiny this guy is.
He is.
And we
Look
just
at my pinky nail compared to him. Look at that.
He's just as big.
He's
and he only has one claw, and he's missing like a few legs. So
yeah,
what a loser.
And well, we did catch him, and we made a few videos on a phone, but then the cable didn't work, and so the videos couldn't go on YouTube. So this one will be on YouTube, and we found him. So thanks for watching. Again, this is me, Nate.
And I'm Adam.
From Greentown, PA. Caught this guy in a little creek. And in this cup, McDonald's, we have another pretty small guy. We got him.
And now look at this, and look at him.
Look at this compared to the
this guy.
Yeah, look at that.
Come, you stupid.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that size.
And that thing is tiny
This
too.
thing is tiny. Look at that.
Look at this compared to that.
Look at that comparison.
And
it's crazy.
Nate, let's hurry it up because I think
put him back in. Put him back in. Okay, hold this.
No, just put him back in.
No, Okay, now.
What's up?
Ow! Look at this. Look at this. Oh, God. Look at this. Look at this. Eat my skin. Oh, God. See, now he dropped all the way down here. So I'll pick him up, obviously. Okay, now this guy does not like it. So I'll put him back in the cup. Thanks for watching.